This summer fruit is green outside, red inside, and today it has a smiley face. Can you draw it? Welcome to Kidz Coloring Art. Let's draw and find it together. Step 1. The slice. Triangle shape, pointed at top, curved at the bottom, and a flat line inside. Slice done. Step 2. The big watermelon. Starting from the top, big round circle going all the way around. Nice and smooth. Grab your pencils and let's go. Draw along with me. Now the fun part. Giving it a face. Secret challenge at the end. Stay with me. 2 round eyes with a little pupils inside and a big happy smile. Our watermelon is smiling at us. Now some stripes, curved lines from top to bottom, just like a real. Make it bold. Watch each line getting bolder, more beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Outline done. Now coloring time. Let's go. Look at these beautiful colors and comment below your favorite one. Purple, black, orange, red, blue, brown, green, yellow, pink, and the last one light green. Light green first, bright and fresh like a summer garden. Fill it in, smooth stroke by in all that gorgeous green. So satisfying. Our watermelon is coming alive. Looking amazing already. And now the juiciest color, red. Bright, beautiful watermelon red. Fill in that slice, round and smooth. And secret challenge is coming right now. Just red, round and smooth. And now, tiny black seeds. Little dots scattered inside, just like a real watermelon. And we are done. Draw this watermelon again, but turn it into a superhero. Cap, yes. Wings, absolutely. Superpowers, you decide, take a photo, show a grown-up. Take a photo, show a grown-up. And they will go, wow, you are a super artist. Today you drew a gorgeous watermelon with a smiley face. Amazing work. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for a new drawing every week.